order of a differential equation. The order of the highest order derivative in a differential equation is called the order of the differential equation. I will explain the order of a differential equation with some examples. What is the order of a differential equation? Here are some examples to understand the definition of order of differential equation. In example 1, you can see dy over dx is equal to 7x. This is a first order differential equation. To understand the order, we just think about the derivatives. For instance, if you have a derivative, if you have an unknown function y is equal to x cube, if you want to take the first derivative of this function, so this will be dy over dx is equal to 3x square. If you want to take the second derivative of this function, so d2y over dx square is equal to 6x. If you want to take the third derivative, d3y over dx3 is equal to 6. So this is actually we want to understand what is the order of a differential equation. So before going to understand the order of a differential equation, you must know what is the order of a function, order of a derivative. If you differentiate an unknown function just one time, then it is called a first order differential equation. And in second case, you can see if you differentiate an unknown function twice, then you will get the second order differential equation. So this is the second order differential equation. So this is equation 1 is first order differential equation, equation 2 is second order differential equation, and similarly equation 3 is a third order differential equation. So actually what is the order of a differential equation? Now come back to example number 1. In this equation only one first order derivative is present, so that's why this differential equation is called first order differential equation. First order differential equation. In second example, you can see the first order derivative and second order derivative both are in the equation. But what will be the order of this differential equation? The highest order derivative that involves in this equation, and the highest order derivative in this equation is 2. So that's why this will call the second order differential equation. In the same pattern, in example 3, the only third order derivative is present, so this will call the third order differential equation. So at the end, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is to find the order of a differential equation, you just pick the highest order differential coefficient in that particular example. For instance, in example 1, this is the only first order derivative, so that's why this is first order differential equation. In second example, the highest order derivative is 2, so that's why this is a second order differential equation. And example 3, the highest order derivative is 3, so that's why this is called the third order differential equation.